Activate. After trial period expire, the program will be set to limited mode. Activate your license when expire, or at any time, to enable all commands, with the following steps. Run Activate command from Alpha panel. Read carefully instructions and press Activate button. AlphaCAD website will open to sign in your control panel. Go to Buy panel and select a plan for your needs. In the new page, select Add to Cart button. Select View Cart, or Cart at menu bar. In the next page, confirm your purchase and proceed to checkout. Paste your AlphaCAD serial number. Fake serial number will not activate the program. In your login email, you will receive an email for your purchase and activation files. Please copy all received files in your AlphaCAD directory, and restart AutoCAD. Enjoy drafting with AlphaCAD program.